Hey everyone, so this is my sound reactive LED wall. I put 6 LEDs on each side of the wall, and the wall itself is just an acrylic strip. So now that I basically made the input through this microphone, the sensitivity isn't so great, or the range isn't so great, so I have to really turn the sensitivity up. So while I'm talking, you can see it light up, but if I get up close and basically tap that little mic, then you can see the sensitivity really high. So the whole point of this is to basically make an art piece that would just sit on the table. It would be kind of standalone. So it does run off of a Arduino Nano as of right now, which we can see that it's being powered through the USB power bank. Right now, the wires are just being routed to the bottom of the board. The goal will be to build an enclosure that we can store all the electronics and hidden away. I have a RC low pass filter so that my blue lights would be for the lower frequency. So I'm going to play it from a tone generator at 170 Hz. We can see that the light is mostly blue, but as I increase the frequency, the blue will dissipate and we have only the green remaining. Since this is an art piece based on music, it's only fair that we play music to get the full experience. For comparison, this is when the music is coming straight from the auxiliary cable.